Hello guys, I'm making this quick DIY video for correcting this issue with this common, what I say, generic TVs. So if you notice, the display is upside down, and I'm going to show you how to correct that. Then I'll go to what brought me to this problem in the first instance. Okay, so a quick one, you hit the menu. This brand, I don't know if this brand is all around the world. I'm sure the same thing goes for all those TVs that don't come from the original source. Generic models, basically. They work the same way. So hit the menu. Where's the menu on the menu? Okay, so hit the menu right there. Once the menu comes up, you can see that it's upside down. And in the menu, on the remote rather, you hit 1147, and this menu comes right up. You use the arrow key to go straight to the panel setting, and what you're looking for is the mirror mode. Once I get there, I just hit the side, left or right, yeah, so hit either left or right, and this is what we have. If I hit that arrow key again, you see it goes back and it keeps going around till it gets the correct position. So that's how to correct that problem. Now, going back to those that want to know what made me make this video, I had two separate TVs. If I turn this off and put it back on, you can see that the screen is bad, and I have always had the issue on this side where for some funny reason the HDMI, both the two HDMIs don't work. So what I did was to get the panel out of this guy, that's the PCB from the back of the system. I changed from this guy to this guy so that I have both good screen and good HDMIs over here. This is bad screen, bad HDMI, so I could really just toss this guy away right now. Okay, so let's dig right in. If you're doing this kind of swap, I think the best thing for you to do is before pulling anything out, just make sure you have a screenshot of where all the cables are. If you know you're not going to be good with returning the cables and plugs where they were initially, and some of course cannot go into where they have notches to make sure they don't go in the wrong way, like the case of this guy. As for this could go in the wrong way, but I've noticed that there's a marking here, so is the same marking on the side of the LVDS port over here. So the good part about these monitors, or rather TVs, is that their panels come completely independent of the screen. So the screen is just in the casing of its own, and the panel is just covered in the back right here. So if you could, I'm guessing you could actually get this panel off AliExpress if you wanted it, but like I said, that's the good part. So just like this case, I know I have a completely perfect screen, and it just needed a panel that works fine. And I also noticed that this panel right here is, I don't know if this could cause the HDMI not to work. Every other port works, by the way, just the HDMI is wonky, really. So I've successfully changed out the panel for this guy. This guy is the one with the broken screen, and this one right here has a good screen, but for some funny reason the HDMI doesn't work. So I swapped the completely fine panel that has the HDMI panel. I put it into this place and swap this guy over to this guy with the broken screen, and I guess I'm not going to use this TV anymore. So after doing the swap, I'm not going to go into the details of how I took it apart, but it's quite straightforward. The screws, once the screws go off, rather, the back plate comes off. So to leave this menu, I tried a couple of buttons on the keyboard, just didn't work. So perhaps what you want to do to leave the menu is just turn the TV off and put it back on. like so, and yeah, this is done. So problem fixed. So now, right now, I've done my fix. So I have one, not two, one good TV. And just to be sure, I'm just gonna test that out. So checking this out, I have my TV functioning well. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the like button or hit the other button twice. Bye.